The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and its predecessor have been some of our favorites among the sea of models running Wear OS, ticking all the right boxes. Understandably, we're rather excited about this year's Galaxy Watch 6 series, which should debut alongside the Galaxy Fold and Flip 5 later this month. Samsung has gone to great lengths to stay secretive about upcoming products, while tweet-happy leakers have kept us well-fed with juicy details. The latest to arrive attempt to reveal the exact sizes for all Galaxy Watch 6 models, with a few more images to gawk at and also the key specifications of the Watch 6, which is expected to arrive in 2 sizes. The Galaxy Watch 5 comes in 3 sizes, with your choices changing depending on which version we're looking at. However, this year, Samsung seems to be planning to deliver 40 and 44mm case options for the Galaxy Watch 6 and a choice between 43 and 47mm of the Watch 6 Classic. That would make the 47mm Classic model the largest Galaxy Watch we have seen yet, with only the Watch 4 Classic coming a close second, with its 46mm option. The retailer's website also confirms the LTE and Wi-Fi models will share the same size options. The 40mm model will have a 1.31-inch Super AMOLED Sapphire display, whereas the 44mm variant will have a larger version of the same display measuring 1.47 inches. Both will offer 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage, and will come with support for other features, such as Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC. The 40mm edition will pack a 300, whereas the 44mm model will house a 425 mAh battery. We saw a few leaked renders of the wearable this time last month, but now we get a closer look at the Galaxy Watch 6 models with 96 new leaked renders shared by Tech on Twitter. It seems to be a larger collection of all the possible strap and material combos Samsung may offer with the Galaxy Watch 6, but it tacitly adds support for several technical details we have been hearing about in the last few months. The images appear to illustrate the quick disconnect button underneath the straps, hopefully making strap changes much more convenient. These also suggest the Galaxy Watch 6 series will be made in Vietnam with sapphire crystal glass and water resistance up to 5 ATM. For more information and confirmation of the details, the wait shouldn't be too long. Samsung has confirmed its Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled for July 26, which is just over a week away. With any luck, we will see the Galaxy Watch 6 series make its debut then. So how do you like these new images of the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 lineup from Samsung? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.